a quick preview of a new Buzzy App Creator GPT. I want a recipe app for Adam. You just got to put your email address in. Buzz. Send that off. It's going to try and guide me and give me some guidance in terms of types of things that it's looking for in terms of the prompt to try and improve the application. I'm going to say just go for it. Cool. So I'll just confirm. So it's going to give me a link to an application. It's also going to give me some next steps so that we can follow. So how to prompt the Buzzy AI for types of changes you want to make using AI. So we've got 3 different phases. So one, use AI, then you can dive into Figma. We can pull the application to Figma. We've got a Buzzy plugin that allows you to update it easily from Figma. And then you can also do some extensions with code widgets or using APIs. There's some links over here for it. And then, additional phases. So if you wanted to go on to deploy this either as a web application or as a native application to the app stores, and then some other stages. So you're going to go through testing and then actually go live, and then check out some of the Figma templates and things. So that's pretty cool. Let's go back over here and have a look at the app. It'll take a bit of time to generate, so usually a couple of minutes depending on the complexity of the application, and this will be a full stack working application in the cloud sitting on top of Kubernetes with its own database cluster. At the moment it's running in a multi-tenant environment, but if you deploy it on your own cluster, then you'll get your own compute, your own database cluster, and you can scale it independently and everything. You also will get an email for the application. I'm just going to click that. It will open up a slightly different interface over here, and it will tell you how long it's going to take to create the application. Okay, so here's the AI. It has been created for you on the server. Took probably about 3 or 4 minutes. We can have a look at the application. Here it is. Here's that recipe app. We can see it's generated some sample data for us. It's got all the the concept of we have like a recipe application. It's got a CRUD screen. Obviously, depending on how good your prompt is, it will determine. We just use the default one over here. So uploader there. Everything over here is responsive. You can share this application. You can look at it in the browser. And then if you could get a deployment plan, you'll be able to put it in the app stores as well as a native application. We use React Native under the covers. Some extra steps and information here. So again, this is just very early preview. Thanks for watching. Cheers.